Everybody hating on me for what? Count my money, 2, 3, 4. Niggas that be hating on me.
Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. As you can see, your boy's doing great. We're recovering great from surgery. I'm gonna show you guys my full collection of bikes, and behind you is my new house. So let's get in this video. So, gang, your boy got a new crib. First, I'm gonna show you all my bikes because I did add 1 or 2 bikes since I last made a video about my full collection. So first, let's get into bikes. We got the little 50 right here. This is the neighborhood shredder, one of my favorite bikes. I probably ride this the most out of all my bikes because I can literally take it from my garage, shred around the neighborhood. The cops, neighbors usually don't care because it's so small and so quiet. So yeah, that's the neighborhood ripper. Next thing we got is the Honda 150. As you guys know, this is like a mini 450. It's only a 150cc, but the torque and the power, it feels like it goes forever. Any gear, you can pick it up. First, second, third, fourth, this thing's gonna pick up. Literally a mini 450 cheat code bike. If you know, you know. Next, as y'all see, we got the 2-stroker. You know, there's nothing like a freaking 2-stroke. Tuning that baby, it's literally, for a 2-stroke bike, I think the YZ125 is the best one to go. Screw a 250, it just doesn't have that nice pitchy tune noise. So yeah, that's the freaking 2-stroke. Then we got the big 450. You already know this thing. This is one of my babies. To be honest, I haven't even ridden it as much as I wanted to because I got a flat like a month into having it, and then I got my surgery, so I haven't really been able to ride this thing at all. It has like 50 hours on it, and I bought it with like 35 or something, maybe a 40. Give her a little, come in, give her a little close up on that big 450, you know? Just so everyone knows. This thing a big 450. And y'all know the freaking classic DRZ. Everyone's like, bro, where's the DRZ? Did you sell the DRZ? For the last time, I am never ever selling this bike. This is literally my freaking baby. I don't know what to call it. It is my first bike I ever owned, my first street legal bike. It took me all across Europe, it took me across America. I just have so many memories with this bike. I don't see myself ever selling it. Soon I want to put it in like a glass case or somewhere, and like maybe in the house or something like that. And then here we got the freaking e-bike. Y'all know this. This is just it goes like 45 miles per hour. Yeah, it's a fun little shirt. I'll give it a little rip in the neighborhood real quick. So if you are wondering, this e-bike is a wheelie machine. I gotta put it in sport mode, my bad. Oh my god, dude. Alright, I'm a little rusty, bro. I got my surgery and stuff. I haven't been on a bike in a while, so that's all I got right now. And last but not least, for the motorcycles, we have the Thumpstar 140. Shout out Thumpstar for sending me this bike like a year and a half ago. This thing was a beast, I ain't gonna lie. I put it through hell, and right now it doesn't run. I need Tater Tunes to come fix this bad boy up. But right now, she ain't running. I took it through a whole pond, tried to do some mudding, you know, like them 4-wheeler boys, but it didn't work out. She flooded, she ain't working right now. But before I flooded her, she was a beast. She always turned on, and she's just a strong bike. Like, it was just my fault for taking it through a lake, but it is what it is. And then we got my BMX and my wheelie bike here. Nothing too special, the D-Blocks edition, my Sabrosa BMX. And then as y'all see, we got the Subi. The Subi's right there looking good, bro. So as y'all know, we got my Drift Subi. Well, in the future, it will be a Drift Subi, hopefully one day. Maybe I'll get a 350 and just make this a stance car. I don't know yet. But that's the Subi, and behind me, we got my new crib, bro. Your boy MotoBroo is a homeowner now. So yeah, let's hop into the crib.
Everybody hating on me for what? Count my money, 2, 3, 4. Niggas that be hating on me, never gonna get to shoot they shot like a free throw. Switch.
Oh hey, what are y'all doing there? Welcome to the MB Mansion. So MB gang, this is the cribbo. There's not too much in it yet. We're still, you know, getting all housed in. We just moved in a couple days ago. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour, nothing crazy, but as y'all see, this is the living room, nothing too crazy going on. Hop into the kitchen. The beautiful kitchen, you know, you gotta have that counter space when you're cooking. And then as you see, we got my little computer station. This is where all the MB gang videos are gonna be edited. As you know, your boy edits his own videos. We don't need no editor. let's show you the freaking patio, bro. Yo! So as y'all can see, bro, we got a beautiful patio and a beautiful backyard. Look at this, bro. Maybe we'll have to build like a little pit bike track, some little skate park, who knows, but look at that, bro. We got the shed. Let's hop in the, screw it, we're hopping in the backyard, bro. This is the most important thing. So as you see, we got a huge backyard for some crazy adventures. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I can tell you that this thing is big. Look at the bird. Oh. That was a beautiful bird. And then over here, as you see, we got the shed. We can show them that. So beautiful, nice little shed. Oh, there's some bird beef going on in the backyard right now. And yeah, we can hop in this thing. Let's show them real quick too. It's a little shed. Probably gonna be a little dark in here right now, but yeah, nothing crazy. Just a shed, but like, this is perfect for a little workspace. You know, if I need to work on something, I got the workbench. I don't have to be in the garage. And like, it'll just stay more clean and everything. If I'm doing some messy stuff, like shaving wood, we got the shed. We'll just show them the, oh, where are you going? Come on over here, we'll show you the master bedroom and bath. You know, we live in like kings, because we eat liver, bro. No one's gonna understand that. Fuck it.
A lot of people will.
No, hopefully they will. So this is the master room. It's nothing too crazy yet. We're just getting started. We got this beautiful little cabinet space that came with, you know. We're gonna get that all freaking set up. Come over here, shout out freaking everyone who subscribes. This is my 100,000 plaque. I don't even know if I really made a video with it, but this is the $100,000 subscribers plaque. Soon, we're gonna get the 1 million, which I'm super excited for. And just thank you guys for all the support, watching the videos, and all that. I know it's grainy and dark right here, so let's keep going to the bath. So over here, we got the freaking garage, and this is one of my favorite parts of the house, is just how nice and big sort of this garage is for a 2-car garage. I wish I had 3-car garage, but we ain't there in life. Maybe in a couple years we'll have that 3-car garage. But just look at all the space. I need to put these in there, so this will make a lot more space once I got the washer and dryer out. But bro, it's just so nice to have like an open garage with some decent flooring in it. As you can see, point down the floor. Got a nice little blue flooring on it. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for the support always. We got some bangers coming soon. Your boy's about to be fully healed, so we're gonna be back on that freaking 3-day-a-week grind. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'll let you guys know when that's for sure happening, but hopefully this Sunday I'm gonna hit the lot for you guys and we're gonna shred. So thank you guys so much. I freaking love you. Stay motivated. Till next time. Peace.